Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and today I am on to announce the winner for this beautiful die set that I was giving away during the Scrap Diva Designs Black Friday sale. So if you will remember, I did post a video, which I will link down below, where I shared a number of the Scrap Diva Design die sets that I have. And inside that video, I had hidden a number of things that you needed to do to be entered to win this beautiful die set, which is called the Santa Book MEMORYDEX card. This is a brand new die set. I've only taken it out of the package to cut down on the glare, and it's very beautiful. And I know whoever wins this is going to be totally thrilled to have it in their stash. So as a reminder, I am an affiliate for Scrap Diva Designs. There's her website there, but I will have my affiliate link in the description box down below. If you shop through the link, it's going to look exactly like you've gone directly to Erica's page, but it will let her know that you're shopping through my affiliate, and it will give me a small commission. Doesn't cost you anything extra. Everything gets shipped just like it normally does, but it helps me out in defraying the cost of purchasing die sets for my own stash, and as the case with this one, to be able to give it away or to make products for my friends and family. So here is the Instagram information for Scrap Diva Designs, and also if you make something and you use the hashtag Scrap Diva Designs, everyone will be able to find your beautiful creations and, yeah, support you as well. So that's that, and I'm not going to go over the rules. I think you guys all followed them pretty well. I am really, really excited and happy to thank all of you who did shop through my referral link during that Black Friday sale. There were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 orders. Hallelujah. I don't think I've ever had that many in any particular month or release from Scrap Diva Design since I started doing that. But I only had 2 people who followed all of the rules. So I have 2 people in the drawing today. And it could be that the other people either have this set already or were just supporting me. And I just want to tell you all how much I really, really appreciate that. And you do improve the odds for those who would like to win this design. So anyway, with that, let me just get right to it. So one of the lucky people going in the drawing is Diane Tiskey, and she is Diane's Designs on YouTube and Diane Turtle on Instagram. And Cheryl Santoro, and she is Cheryl Santoro on YouTube and Santoro Cheryl on Instagram. So let me just put this aside, and I have a nice little box here. I'm going to fold these up. Drop them down in there. We're doing this old school today. Okay. Shake it up. And once again, I want to thank everybody who placed an order through my affiliate link. I so much appreciate that. And so good luck to Cheryl and Diane, and let's see who is going to win this beautiful design set. We just rabble-rouse them around a little bit more and draw one name out. And the winner of this gorgeous design set is Cheryl Santoro. Congratulations, Cheryl. So I do have your contact information, and I am going to pack this up and get it out to the mail to you right away. Hopefully you'll get it in time to actually use it for this Christmas season, but if not, I'm sure you can use it for other times as well, because it doesn't just have to be a Santa book. You just don't have to use the present. I mean, it'd be great for birthdays as well to use the present. It says wish list on there, so really it can be used for any occasion. Totally beautiful. Congratulations, Cheryl. Thank you again to everybody who placed an order through my affiliate link throughout the year so far. I so much appreciate it. So thanks again, everybody who has supported me throughout the years. I really, really appreciate it, whether you're using my affiliate link, watching my videos, leaving comments, hitting the like button, hitting the subscribe button, all things that I appreciate so, so much. So thanks again for everybody who is supporting me. I really, really appreciate you, and wish you all a Merry Christmas, because this is the Christmas season. And that's what I've got for you today. I will get this out in the mail to Cheryl, and I want to thank you all. Have a great holiday season, and I'll catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, Crafty Peeps. Bye.